This is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator. So happy to be joined today by Brian Smith, who is Pro AV Sales Director with Watchfire. We're talking, of course, in relation to our large format display deep dive, which will be all over commercialintegrator.com, as well as Commercial Integrator's print magazine throughout the month of April. Watchfire, of course, is at the vanguard of that movement. So who better to talk to than you, Brian? Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm sure it's going to be a really informative conversation.
Well, thank you, Dan, first of all, for hosting us. We're really excited about what Commercial Integrator does for our industry. And I look forward to sharing a little bit more about who Watchfire is and what we can do in the Pro AV industry.
Absolutely. And you've taken the words out of my mouth. The first question I have is a little bit about who Watchfire is, what you do, how long you've been around. For those who may not be as familiar with Watchfire as I am, can you give us a couple minutes of a primer?
Absolutely. So Watchfire designs and engineers some of the best looking, most durable outdoor signs, indoor displays, video scoreboards, and fixed digit scoreboards on the market today, really helping businesses to communicate effectively, to increase visibility and drive growth. Now, we're headquartered in Danville, Illinois. We've been manufacturing electric signs for more than 90 years. Direct view LED displays have been a part of that since 1998. Using globally sourced components. Today, we have more than 65,000 installations in daily operation.
Wow. Wow. You certainly are a company that keeps busy and in really exciting categories as well. And I want to talk about those exciting categories because the focus, as I say, is large format displays. So we're not necessarily thinking about a house of worship that is having a digital sign talking about the next Bible study or something like that. We're thinking more about those outdoor applications, those large format applications, those kind of applications where people will be drawn from their homes saying, I can't experience visual dazzle like this anywhere but in an out-of-home environment. Would you say that perhaps post-pandemic, now that people are fully back in society, fully back into experiences, that large format displays might be having a renaissance of sorts because people are craving the kind of experience that they can facilitate?
Oh, absolutely. We live in what I like to call a hyper-visual environment. I mean, we drive down the road. Most of our billboards now are digital, where they're driving home this dynamic messaging. We go to pump gas. Many times we've got a video screen right there at eye level, providing messaging, promotional opportunities. Even at House of Worship, sometimes we see these huge digital displays and video walls with lyrics, inspirational graphics, or maybe you even walk into a corporate lobby and you're greeted by a massive canvas of digital art. So our world has moved to a think digital first mentality as this technology advances. We see a constant drive towards larger displays, higher resolution, wider color reproduction, honestly, to match what a consumer enjoys in the comfort of their home today. They have incredible theater type sound, huge displays, 4K resolution and beyond. All of that has created a desire for fresh, dynamic content wherever they go, especially post-pandemic when people are trying to get out of the house. So many of the new large format displays are moving well beyond what we've called digital signage into what I've heard some in our industry term experiential signage. I love that description because to me, it really more accurately captures what is being designed and installed today. Experiences that draw people in for the purpose of not only relaying information, but creating a positive emotional response. So those are becoming increasingly popular, and reimagining the term into experiential signage, I think benefits our industry and helps us to move forward.
I may have to take some notes myself here. Maybe next year's large format display deep dive will be an experiential signage deep dive. I like that term. As we begin to close up the conversation, I just wanted to ask you from Watchfire's perspective, if there's anything you're particularly excited about. For example, product launches, technical differentiators, applications, anything that organizationally you're like really excited about, you're stoked about right now.
Oh, absolutely. We have a lot to be excited about at Watchfire. You know, we've got a long, rich history in our exterior digital signage space, and we want to capitalize upon that as we move further and expand into the Pro AV marketplace. So we started 8 years ago exploring the sports market. And that endeavor has taken off for us in a big way, even leading to an exciting announcement this week where we were lucky enough to be able to acquire a fixed digit scoreboard manufacturer called Spectrum to increase our presence even further in that market. I was brought on board in November of 2022 to strategize and lead the direction of primarily our indoor product line in the Pro AV space, to develop relationships with systems integrators, manufacturers reps, consultants, architects, end users. So we've got a comprehensive knowledge and experience in DirectView LED. All of our engineering, service, and support is based in our Danville, Illinois office. For many over the years, outdoor displays have been notoriously difficult to maintain. We at Watchfire have a dedicated focus on providing the best support possible for the life of the display, and we'll continue to foster that same level of care and support within the Pro AV market. In some ways, DirectView LED needed to be redefined and refocused. So we're hoping to redefine the DirectView LED experience for our customers. We have heard from our customers in this space, and they have told us they need and expect high quality service and support. That's why we have things like an industry-leading standard 5-year parts and service warranty. We also guarantee for 10 years that we will have bin-matched LED parts for your display. Many are familiar with the process of bin matching, where LEDs that have certain color and brightness characteristics are binned together. If you don't have bin matched LEDs, there's no way to get a really uniform looking image on the screen. That can be a real selling point to a customer, say in year 9 or 10, where we still guarantee that, yes, we can give you an LED module with a bin matched LEDs to make the display look as uniform as possible that many years in. We've all seen displays where the modules don't match. And nothing frustrates a customer more than investing a large sum of money and you only get a few years out of the investment. So in regards to our warranty, our CEO, Steve Harriott, says it best. He says, our warranty statement is the minimum that we will do. So we are fully invested in the customer service experience. Again, we understand that for many, digital displays are considered a significant financial investment. So our displays have been designed to work and last the way that our customers would want them to. Again, our in-house engineering design teams, they work tirelessly to ensure that the performance of our displays is superior to other solutions available on the market. We want to bring innovative solutions to the Pro AV market, and we're strategizing daily on how to stand out in a really crowded DirectView LED display market. So those are just a few of the ways that we're looking to redefine the experience for our customers. Also, in addition to great looking displays, we also have our own content management system called Ignite OPX. That's a cloud-based system for uploading, creating, scheduling, and playing back vibrant content. Our sports team has developed a full suite of software tools unique to sport environments called Ignite Sports. So we're continuing to grow at a rapid pace. I'm really excited to relaunch the Pro AV division of Watchfire and to bring our legendary quality and customer support to a whole new market.
Well, this has really been an information-packed conversation, Brian. Thank you so much. I appreciate you illuminating what Watchfire is doing, not only for me, but more importantly for our audience. And thank you, of course, for participating in our large format display deep dive and for giving me an idea for maybe how to retitle it next year, the Experiential Signage Deep Dive. Thank you so much, Brian, for being here.
Thank you, Dan. We appreciate the time.
Happy to have been joined by Brian Smith, who is Pro AV Sales Director with Watchfire. My name is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator. Please check back on commercialintegrator.com each and every day, especially throughout the month of April, for more exciting thought leadership content just like this. Have a great day.